This is by design, and not only my design. Being inspired by the great God, I incorporate, as you can see, different nationalities of people into it. And my thinking is that all of this was not done by mere chance, but by a great creator God. What would it look like for a white horse to appear through a cloud of green backdrop with a guy of color in the water? A typical moonlit night with a little bit of frolicking in the water, as you can see, a young lady enjoying a nice bath in the seawater. We have two lovers sharing just such a special moment, the tranquil and peace that surrounds their love. Now they're about to bathe together, so that's what it's all about, a couple sharing their love. It's another piece of watercolor. It's using less color and more water with a lot of wash, but using it in the form of detail. That's how I like to work with watercolor, not just to let it merely run, but to work with it in details. A particular medium that I use extensively, it's called the designer's colors. I thought that was given to me at school, and I find that particular water-based paint can go a long way. The paintings actually appears from afar as if it was oil painting, but it's from designer's colors. A piece that was done in Canada. You know, naturally I'm going to be inspired by the home that I'm in now, and it's Canada. And this is in the fall, and it's a beautiful photograph I've taken, if I should say, by myself. Took it home and painted. And there it is. This is the hibiscus and the ocean, and they do have something in common because they create a wonderful contrast. Again, that's watercolor, designer's colors, and it's beautiful to work in. This is the appointment, the hummingbird having an appointment with the hibiscus, and he's right there. And I hope you will be there too, enjoying this beautiful occasion. Again, that's watercolor that appears as though it is oil color, but it's water. This is night mood. A lady suggested to me it appears as though it's in a negative, and how did I do that? And I said, it's black background with white paint painted on to create the illusion.
But you don't want to give away any of your techniques?
That's right.
But I don't want to give away any of my techniques. I think pencils has always been a favorite of mine as well. So there are times I would sketch a portrait, and we all know who that one is. And that's pencil on paper.
Go ahead, bud.
That's another pencil study of a great singer, Nat King Cole. That's one of my favorite pencil sketch. Natural setting for another watercolor study, and there you have a colorful location with a bird swooping down on its prey, and you know what that is, a fish. Yeah, this is the bird that explores the ocean and searches for food. That's another watercolor study. I enjoy doing those pieces. This is everybody's beach house. It's watercolor, black and white, with a water-based paint. Another water-based study of your favorite getaway place. Spend a nice and quiet moment. Yes, again, here you have another getaway place. I try to present these things as you would like to see them, the way I saw them. And this is our favorite hideaway. This is another print. It's taken from 4 features which I've done in print. And